Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informative video. So today we do have some really good promotion discounts for you guys. This is via boostmobile.com. I just saw this website. I just opened up the website and saw the promotion, should I say. So guys, check this out. It says free LG Stylo 4 when you switch. So wow guys, I know a lot of carriers. Metro PCS definitely had this first. Well, now they're Metro by T-Mobile, but they did offer, when the Stylo came out, they were offering it for free, or no, for $30. And then it went up to 80 or something like that. I don't know, I heard 80, but I mainly know it was $30 with a port in. Well, Boost Mobile now is giving it for free when you switch. And same thing, they were having a switch deal too, guys. So it's not, like I said, every carrier you guys know offers a better promotion if you switch to them. So it says, let's read about it. It says, the phone, remember, costs $200 on Boost Mobile's website. Yeah, I know you can get it for $129.99 at Walmart if they have it in stock. That's if they have it in stock. But at boostmobile.com, they have it for $200, but now you can get it for free if you port in. So it says free LG Stylo 4 when you switch. Offer details. New customers only, so it has to be a new customer, porting customer at that. Get up to 4 free LG Stylo 4s. You might be saying, what? How can I get 4 free LG Stylo 4s? Guys, you have to port in 4 lines, and you can do a family plan, of course. So whatever family plan you choose, since there's a couple, you guys can basically get 4 Stylo 4s as long as you port all the numbers in. It says, and you can see the next line, when 4 lines switch to Boost Mobile. That's what I was telling you. But it says, get up to 4 free LG Stylo 4s when 4 lines are switched over. Boost Mobile basically must be active on a $50, $60, $80 plan by November 15, guys. So you have a little bit under a month, about 25 days for you guys to be able to take care or take advantage of this promotion. Sorry, little fly. So not bad, guys. Today is October 20th. Might be October 21st when I upload this video. But basically, like I said, you still have right under about a month to get this, since this offer ends on November 15th. So remember, you switch a line from Metro, Cricket, whoever that's not Sprint affiliated, you can get a free LG Stylo 4 in-store only. This is, you can see here, this is only in-store, only exclusive in-store offer, so you can't do it online. That's the only bad thing about Boost Mobile, is all their offers are usually in-store because they want people to get in. You can still buy the phone, but you won't get it for free. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Remember, you have to port your number in, and you can get an LG Stylo 4 for free. You do have to pay one of the 50, 60, or 80, or be on a family plan to get this deal. You must do it by November 15th. So if you like this content, you want to support my channel, you can via my PayPal description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month, but if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you do save $5. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.